You do not have to spend a lot of money to figure out your style. Hey yo, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Amy here as per usual. So how's everyone doing? I'm sorry I have been aware for some time now. I had a situation that I'm not going to divulge here because I was unable to vlog or do anything because of that. But I am so glad to be back here. So happy new year. Merry Christmas. Christmas is my all-time favorite time of the year, so it was such a bummer that I was unable to shoot any type of content at that time. So, welcome back to the channel. Amy here as per usual. It is so good to be back in front of the camera. I swear to God, like talking to the camera like this, chef's kiss. I feel so great about it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about your personal style. Yes, you heard me right. Your personal style. So we're going to be elevating your personal style. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Anywho, did you guys miss me? I know you did not, but it's fine. It's all right. It's okay. So are you still trying to figure out your personal style? You love different looks, but you are unsure of which one fits you or which one you should go for. The truth of the matter is that experimenting with new styles can be pretty expensive. This is why I'm here to the rescue. You do not have to spend a lot of money to figure out your style. You just need to explore intentionally. So here is a couple of things you need to be on the lookout for when considering a new style. First of all, don't limit yourself. When considering a new style, you need to give yourself the grace to explore other styles. Give yourself the opportunity to explore. Do not limit yourself to just one type of style. Do not box yourself in a category like, I'm a classy girl, I only wear casual outfits, I can't pull that off, it won't look good with my body type, oh my gosh, this, that, blah, blah. Style is something that you discover over time. Try different silhouettes, try different patterns, try different colors. Try different outfit combination because sometimes the style you never thought would suit you ends up being the one that makes you feel the most confident. Number two, but don't blow your money. Explore options. Doesn't mean that you should go around and start blowing your money. No. Doesn't mean you should go around buying everything you see. Nope. That's not what I mean. You don't need to blow your money when you're trying to figure your style out. Instead, be intentional about the pieces. Oops, excuse the noise in the background. Instead, be intentional. Before buying any piece, ask yourself, what kind of look am I trying to go for? What look am I trying to test? Where would I actually wear this to? Does this fit my lifestyle? The moment you answer those questions, then you can go ahead and start shopping for pieces. And number three, you have to experiment smart. You can start with one piece of each style that you're curious about. Maybe one structured blazer, that's if you want to try a classy look. One wide leg pants, that's if you're going for something modern. One printed dress if you're trying to explore patterns. You do not need a full wardrobe. One piece from every style you're looking to explore is the way to go. So another thing is, I'm going to advise you to thrift first. So before you start going for designer brands, you can consider buying affordable or thrifted pieces first. So why am I saying this? It's because thrifting allows you to experiment without pressure to test. It also allows you to test various styles without spending so much money. It also helps you discover what really works for you because of the variety of options. Right? Does that make sense? Once you're sure of a style that fits your personality, then you can go all out. You can go all out and invest in better qualities, invest in high-end brands, designer. Next point is using what you have, using what you already have, what exists in your wardrobe already. This is that your experiment might already be in your wardrobe. So you can try styling your old clothes in different patterns. You can pair it differently, you can style it differently. That's where you bring in your creativity. I feel like there's nothing in this world that doesn't require creativity. Because the moment you put your creativity into it, that's when you define it and make it your style. So you can either dress something up or you dress it down. Mix patterns, layers, colors, try different things. Try colors that you would never try on a normal day. The truth of the matter is that sometimes you don't need new clothes, you just need a new perspective. So if you're standing from a different angle and it doesn't work, try another angle. You never can tell what will come out of it. Finding your personal style is not about brands or trends. It's about understanding yourself, your lifestyle, your comfort, your personality, your creativity, and most of all, what makes you feel confident. You also have to remember that your style is definitely going to evolve as you grow. Because you're not meant to stay the same forever. You're not meant to stay in one box forever. So if you're still trying to figure out your style, take your time, explore, experiment, and be intentional without overspending. And if you enjoy honest conversation about budget fashion, confidence, and growing into your best self, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. That will be all for today. And I remain Amy McCarthy. I'll see y'all in my next video. Ciao. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful evening. Have a beautiful morning. Whatever time it is, may it be beautiful. And do not overspend.